So today I'm going to guide you through the mastermaths.lk website, and I'm going to teach you how to register yourself and how to log in, how to check out the lessons available, and how to do a purchase of some lesson, and also how to join the meetings when the lesson starts. So let's get right into it. First of all, you have to enter the website using mastermaths.lk URL. You can do this via your mobile phone, tablet, laptop, or PC. You have to log in, and when you land on the site, actually if you scroll down a little bit, you will notice that there are two buttons, one for register and one for login. If this is the first time you are visiting the site, the very first thing you have to do is register yourself as a student. You have to do this only one time, and after that you are a lifetime member. So you click register, and it will take you to a page where you have to give your details, some of the important credentials, so you can register yourself. So this is the registering page, and as you can see, the details are pretty obvious. Your name, so let me enter mine, that is Rizlan, and your last name, so that is Hassan, and the date of birth. When you click here on the year, you can actually easily select the year through this. Let me put it as, say, 2016. Let's go up a bit. That is, let's put 2005, and March, and let's say 8th. Okay, that's not my birth year, that was just a random year. And the gender is male, and the district, so Colombo. There are students throughout the country who are joining this program, so whatever the district you have selected will actually let us know from which district you are from, and when we are sending something, or when there is some postal to be sent, or when there is some tube to be sent, this will be actually quite useful. And the grade, let me select grade 11, and the medium, at the moment it's only English medium. Contents are available, but in the future there might be other medium content available as well. So the school, let me enter my school as BSN Anayaka College. Please type your school's full form and the WhatsApp number. If you are in WhatsApp, or if your parents are in WhatsApp, then please put that number here, okay, because this will be used to send out any updates about the class. If you are a person who is not in WhatsApp, then just enter your mobile number, that will be enough. So let me enter 7540011 and the parents number. Now this will be the number which we will be contacting in case of an emergency, so please make sure you give a valid number here. I'll be entering the same number, and the email address, so mine will be actually rizlanhassan@gmail.com. The password, just I'm going to put a random password here. Make sure your email address is correct, because that is where you will get the verification code. And the referral method, this is how you got to know me for the first time. That means how you got to know about Mastermaths classes or Rizlan sir for the very first time, maybe through a friend, relative, Facebook, Instagram, or other method. Just mention, I'll just put it as through Facebook. And the address, now here you have to enter your home address, and again, as I told you earlier, this is where if we are sending something, we will be using this address, so make sure you put your correct address over here. And I'm not a robot, that is actually to verify that this is filled by a human being, not by automated system. And you can read the terms and conditions if you want by clicking this link. So you can press this tick button to say that you accept them and register. Voila, congratulations, you have successfully registered. Please log in now. So in here you have to type the email address you used to register. Mine was rizlanhassan@gmail.com, and the password, which is, and again this captcha, and remember me. And so when you log in for the very first time, it will send you two verification codes. One will be for your mobile, one will be for your email address. Now if you go to the email address which you have entered, you would have got the verification code there. And if you go for the mobile number, see, Okay, so I got my email. The email verification was this, and through my mobile phone I got the mobile verification, and the mobile verification I got was 288183. This is unique and different for each and every account. So when I press verify, I'm successfully registered as a student. So that's a one-time process. You don't have to do it again and again. One-time process, very straightforward. And once you are registered, all you need is your email ID and the password. That's all. Hereafter, you don't have to again give all these details again and again. So the first page you see is the classes, and as you can see, at the moment I have put few classes over there, the grade 11, 10 and 9, 6, 7, 8, and there will be some other groups coming up here as well. The London syllabus, the local syllabus, all the classes will be filled up. But for the moment, you will see the grade 10, 11, 9 classes. And since I'm a grade 10 student, say if you are grade 10, just click there, and you will notice they have the lessons for the upcoming lessons, which will be happening in the month of July actually. So every month, like, we'll be uploading the lessons, and the week 1 lesson is parallelogram 1, week 2 parallelogram 2, week 3 question discussion, and likewise. But please remember, this is a rough plan. Sometimes the plan may change. The lesson what we mention might be slightly different than what we do actually. So this is a rough plan, because when we have to drag a lesson or finish a lesson early, the plan might change a little bit. The lesson names are given just to give you an idea what are the lessons we are planning to do this month. And you can actually add the lessons. The good thing about this is, say suppose you're coming only for one class, you can just add one class to the cart. That's it. That means you have to pay only 300 rupees. And in here you can see there's a discount given as well. Now if you buy one, it's going to be 300 rupees. But if you buy 4 classes in whatever the grade you are, whenever you buy 4 classes at once, you get a discount. Okay, so that is applicable for all the grades. So in here, week 1, see I have bought it already. It's in my cart, and since I want the discount, I will add all the 4 lessons one by one. Week 2 I am adding, and then my cart will show that I have 2 lessons now. See here, and let me add the 3rd and 4th lesson also. Add to cart. So you all are actually familiar with these setups, because this is basically like any popular website you have seen. The process is very simple, and yeah, I have added 4 lessons, and it's time to buy these lessons. So I go to cart 4. I go to cart 4, and when I go to the cart, I can see the lessons I have added to the cart, and also you can see in the side I have the, the total amount which I have to pay. Now as you can see, the rate for one lesson was actually 300, but when I bought 4 lessons, you can see here the discount is already applied. The lessons has reduced to 250. So whereas you are supposed to pay 1200, your payment shows as 1000, that is after the discount. This is only applicable for when you buy 4 lessons at once. And then you select the payment method. We have actually given you 3 payment methods. One is online payment, where you enter the card details using your credit card or debit card, and you can directly buy it. That is the fastest way to purchase the lessons. Immediately your lessons will be purchased, and you will be having access to all the materials. And the second method is bank deposits. How you do that is, you go to the bank, and let me press that. When we press bank details, here you can see the bank accounts, and what you have to do is you have to go to commercial bank, deposit the money for this particular account, take a picture of the slip. Okay, even if you did an online transfer, you can take a screenshot of the transfer. And what you have to do is, in here there is an option to upload that receipt. So you can click choose file, upload that payment receipt, and place the order. But remember, this will take about 24 hours to sometimes within 24 hours it will be activated, but we will check, and then once we confirm the payment has been made, immediately you will be given access to the materials and the lesson. And the last method is the cash payment. That is, if you are paying cash directly to me or one of the institutes or in any way, then again we will be giving you a slip. You can upload that slip, and for each person a unique coupon code will be given. So you have to put that coupon code. So then place order. Again, within 24 hours, your payment will be accepted. So the fastest way is online payment through credit or debit cards. The second and third methods are the cash payments and the bank deposits. Even though we say 24 hours, sometimes it might be recognized within 1 hour itself. So 24 hours is the maximum. So if you're doing bank transfers or cash payments, I recommend you do it the earliest as possible. The online payment will be open like at least 2 hours before the class starts. Even you can do the online payment and get registered. Right. So that's how you do the payments. And once you place the order, now I'm gonna place the order through bank deposit and let's say cash payment, and I'm going to say a coupon code here, and I'm going to place the order. And yeah, now see, then it takes you to the profile. Okay, you can put a profile picture also if you want. Okay, you can edit profile, and you can select a profile picture you like. You can update those details as you want. And now anyhow, let me show you the lessons. Now see, in your profile there are few tabs, upcoming lessons. If any of the lessons has been purchased, they will show up here. Why at the moment I can't see anything is because my payment was a cash payment. Therefore, the admin has to approve. So I will approve it and show you how it looks like. Then here, payment status. Can you see? In here, it says, okay, the order you have placed. If you put this arrow button, if you click this arrow button, you will notice the things you have purchased, the lessons you have purchased. And it says it's pending because it's not approved yet. And the other tab is past lessons. If you have finished any lessons, those materials and the lesson details will be shown here. And notice board. That is where if there is any notices or posters, I'll be updating it here. At the moment I have just put the timetable. So always keep an eye on this as well. And now let me actually update the payment and show you once your payment is accepted, what will happen. Okay, I accepted the payment through the admin, and see, once the payment is approved, can you see your lessons are coming in, upcoming lessons. You can view the lessons and you can see. And if you press this, let's press this and see. View lesson, riders. So if you press view lesson, actually in my one, since I'm coming through the email address which I use for my email, this one as well, on address as well. Here I can't actually show you how the lesson will look like. But if you press view lesson, these are the things you will see. You will see the time of the lesson. You will see the Zoom link of the lesson, but the Zoom link will be activated only 15 minutes before the class time. That means if the class is starting at 7 o'clock in the evening, the Zoom link will be active only at 6:45. But there is no hassle. Reason is like it won't be coming to your WhatsApp or anything. You can log into the website and click the link. That's all. So everybody has the link with them once they purchase the lesson itself. So there is no way that you will miss the link or miss the class because of that. You will not receive the email. Those problems are not there. The link is available from the moment you have purchased the lesson. The link is available. It will be active only like 15 minutes before the class. So if the class is at 7 o'clock, at 6:45, 6:50, you have to come to the website and view the lesson. Then the link will be there. You can press and it will automatically open up Zoom where you can do the class. And also when you press view lesson, the tunes, notes and stuff related to the lesson are also stored over here. And once the lesson is over, say suppose you have finished the week 4 lesson, all those week 4 lessons will come into this tab which says past lesson. That means you can even access the past lesson notes. You can't access the video, but the notes and everything can be accessed. So that is how you purchase a lesson. And once you're done, you can log out, or if it is your own mobile or laptop, you can keep yourself logged in. So it's easier every time. So this is how the website works. We have tried to make it super convenient and super easy for everything. And there will be updates on this website as well. There will be several new features adding up. We have something planning. So there are some things we are planning ahead. But for the moment, this will make your online learning experience much more smoother and seamless. This will make your learning experience much more smoother, easier, convenient, and seamless. And hereafter, you will not have any problems regarding links or not getting the links or any of the issues. So I suggest you that you register immediately now itself as a mastermaths.lk student and join Team Mastermaths. So see you all soon with a lesson. Bye bye for now, children.